Okay, a little too late to start the stream, but yes, I had to start it a little late. Uh, I was a little caught up, and yes, we are here. मेजर सपोर्ट को ब्रेक किया है ऑलरेडी. इधर एक बार सपोर्ट लिए थे, वापस ऊपर गया. एंड यू हैव नोटिस लाइक हमारा जो लेवल्स थे उसको बहुत अच्छे से रेस्पेक्ट किया है. फॉर नाउ आई एम रिमूविंग दिस पर्टिकुलर चैनल दैट इट हैड फॉर्म्ड. एंड उसके बाद हम देखेंगे कोई ट्रेड है कि नहीं. एक छोटा सा ट्रेंड बना रहा है और ऊपर की तरफ उतना गैप नहीं है. ओके, I would rather say wait a little bit so that it breaks down from here. I think there is more potential नीचे की तरफ than looking for a long position. I think the light is also pretty good now. It's only lit, right? What does 30-minute chart say? 30 मिनट स्ट्रांगली कुछ नहीं बता रहा है. नीचे का हमारा बॉलिंग का बैंड हिट किया है, सो ऊपर की तरफ दिखा रहा है, पर मोमेंटम नहीं है. इट्स मोर बैरिश. Yeah, it's typically more bearish. So I would say just wait for the movement that is going to happen. It might take some time. It might take some time. Oh, thank you for that one like. Okay, I think it's the first time I'm getting a like just like that while I'm on the live stream. Thank you so much, buddy. So yeah, even the other viewer, if you have been watching my content, if you like my content, please make sure you like the video. इथेरियम, हाँ इथेरियम अभी तक लगा सपोर्ट में ही है. सपोर्ट के नीचे आने दे, उसके बाद देखते हैं. Okay, gold actually has broken a long time trend that is happening. लॉन्ग टाइम ट्रेंड मतलब अभी जस्ट टाइम फ्रेम 5 मिनट का है, फिर भी लाइक पूरा दिन का जो ट्रेंड था वो उसको ब्रेक किया है. थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर देता हूँ. एक सेकेंड. ओके, सो नीचे की तरफ गोल्ड भी नीचे की तरफ देख सकते हैं. 38 पॉइंट्स अप. ओके, कहाँ तक आ सकता है. ओके, कम 10 पॉइंट्स डाउन. ये सपोर्ट को मान के लेके चलना, नहीं तो लाइक इफ द सपोर्ट वाज बिलो आवर डेज ओपन देन वी कुड हैव एक्चुअली प्लान्ड समथिंग. बट एज द लाइक ओएचएससी के हिसाब से लाइक मार्केट नीचे की तरफ आ जाते थे, पर लाइक एज ऑफ नाउ देयर इज नो big movement that is supposed to happen in gold, in BTC or in Ethereum. Everything Ethereum ऊपर की तरफ मैं ये भी बनाता हूँ, हमारा रेसिस्टेंस भी बनाता हूँ. हाँ, इधर 2 कैंडल का हाई बनाया है. इधर एक दिस इज अ रेंज, दिस इज नॉट द एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू, दिस इज अ रेंज. सो इसके ऊपर जा रहा है और बोलिंगर बैंड में थोड़ा गैप बना रहा है, तो देन वी कैन प्लान ऊपर की तरफ जो भी ट्रेड ऑन इथेरियम. एंड BTC का एक सेकेंड. BTC BTC अभी मेरे लिए ट्रेंड पे है, पर लाइक ऊपर की तरफ उतना गैप नहीं है, सो आई जस्ट wait for a moment to happen in BTC. I don't know if I'll be live till like 3:34 when the big movements are going to happen, but like I'll see like till when I can stream. I was a little late today. I had to spend some time with my family. So yes. अभी स्कैल्प करने वाले वाले को लाइक आई जस्ट से फॉर स्कैल्पिंग छोटा छोटा स्कैल्प ही होगा, कुछ बड़ा मूवमेंट्स मन में रख के ट्रेड मत लेना। आपको जब भी ये लाइक हमारा बोलिंगर का रेसिस्टेंस के ऊपर जा रहा है, उधर से नीचे की तरफ आप ट्रेड ले सकता है। व्हेन इट इज़ एट द सपोर्ट इन द मिडल, देन उधर से ऊपर की तरफ, उसके नीचे से आ रहा है तो नीचे की तरफ, इसके ऊपर है तो ऊपर की तरफ। हमारा सेटअप इज़ वेरी सिंपल, दैट्स इट, बट लाइक दैट्स फॉर वेरी स्मॉल स्कैल्पिंग। अभी मेरे लिए इधर नया एंट्री कुछ नहीं है, कोई नया एंट्री नहीं है इधर, एटलीस्ट फॉर मी देयर इज़ नो न्यू एंट्री इन दिस ट्रेड राइट नाउ। इट कैन चेंज लाइक अराउंड लाइक 11, अभी 10:30 हो रहे हैं ना, हाँ, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट बाई 11:30 मार्केट माइट गिव some trend. We can hope for that. We'll hope for that. We'll just wait. Gold 30 मिनट में कैसे दिख रहा है? ओके, ट्रेंड को ब्रेक किया। हाँ, 30 मिनट कैंडल अभी इसके नीचे आ रहे हैं, तो यू कैन प्लान शॉर्टिंग गोल्ड। बाय द वे सस्टेन करना पड़ेगा, ये लेवल के नीचे सस्टेन कर रहे हैं तो नीचे की तरफ प्लान कर सकते हैं, बट या we'll see. I think today is the day I've got the maximum number of likes, bro. Thank you so much, guys. Like whoever is watching, thank you so much. There's all the 3 people who have viewed. अभी तो concurrent viewers 2 लोग ही है, but all the 3 people who have viewed it has liked my content. Thank you so much. Like it means a lot to me actually. You might know that I have been like, if you have watched my previous streams also, then you would definitely know that I make content every day. Like I try my best. It's just a new start with this page, so yes, thanks a lot. Like it would be great if you can introduce yourself maybe in the chat, so that we can get to know better. Like you can suggest a time when you guys will also be free, so that we can try to stream during that time, so that more viewers can be attracted. So if there is any suggestions or anything that you feel like could help us grow better, you can just put it down in the chats. Gold is near हमारा support के बहुत करीब है, तो like I'll just wait on gold itself. I might take my trade on gold. सस्टेन करने दे, उसके नीचे सस्टेन करने दे। ये हमारा ये लाइक ग्रीन कलर का ये रे जो बनाया है, दैट इज़ द सपोर्ट। उसके नीचे सस्टेन करने दे, लेट इट ब्रेक डाउन, लेट इट सस्टेन, देन विल थिंक, बिकॉज बॉलिंगर बैंड में उतना गैप नहीं है। एक सेकेंड, 30 मिनट का, just let us see how much is going to be the risk to reward. This will be our stop loss and this will be our primary target. Okay, not a big move actually, but if this sustains, if the next candle gives another small pullback, then it will be actually great for us, because we'll be able to shorten the stop loss to something like this, which will make our risk to reward better. So I'll just wait. If it breaks down from here, then I'll wait for a small pullback, so that two things can happen. One is my stop loss would come a little lower, and second, मेरा ये कैंडल्स के लिए लाइक बोलिंगर मैन में नीचे के तरफ और गैप बन जाएगा. सो I'll just wait on gold. By side, I'll just check BTC Ethereum, but I'm looking for a trade on gold because gold looks like it is going to break down first. Okay. उसके नीचे सस्टेन करने दे. It just just came somewhere here and went back. That's not what we want. We want it to close somewhere here, very close to the support, or maybe lower to the support. If it is closing somewhere lower than the support level, then the next candle, see, like if it is closing somewhere around the current range, or if it's closing below this, then we want, if it is closing below this, we want, yeah, nice move. So if it is closing below this, we want a small pullback that does not cross this and go up. Okay, a very small pullback, after which we can expect a good fall नीचे के तरफ. Like this is just the first target. You guys know this is just the first target. How I plan my trades, you guys know that very well. This is the first target. नीचे की तरफ और जा सकते हैं. It can, if it reaches the open of today, then it will be actually crazy. Okay, if it reaches somewhere here, then it's, we'll just wait. If it is closing above the support, then like it will spend a little more time. Yeah, it closed above the support, so it will just spend a little more time. This candle should not cross this. See this value, this should be the resistance of this particular candle. ये सिर्फ ये कैंडल के लिए बनाया है, ये लाइन सिर्फ ये कैंडल के लिए बनाया है. And if it is continuing the fall from here, I will not be taking a position. I'll just be like, like I'll just leave it. Just जाने देंगे, कोई नहीं. But if this is not going down a lot, but rather if it is coming somewhere to this range and closing in a small green, after which the next candle is closing this, then I might plan a trade नीचे की तरफ. अभी के लिए नहीं, because I just want this to be my stop loss. If that is our stop loss, yeah, so just see, this will be our entry. Stop loss will just be somewhere around this much, and your first target can be somewhere here. I'll be planning here. That'll make more sense. This will make more sense. According to risk to reward, this trade would make more sense. So I would need a green candle, and ये हमारा support को थोड़ा नीचे कर देते हैं, क्योंकि now it's 3 candles have made that as the low. Okay, we'll see. ये रेड लाइन के ऊपर जाएंगे तो लाइक फिर भी आई एम आउट ऑफ दिस. आई एम नॉट लुकिंग फॉर दिस ट्रेड. मैं शॉर्टिंग के लिए अभी के लिए नहीं देखेंगे. इट इज गोइंग अप फ्रॉम हियर, देन नो पॉइंट इन सिटिंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेड नाउ. Like mean taking this trade now. Just wait for a little time. We'll see. Going up. BTC is slowly creating new highs, just forming this, following this trend line and making just small new highs and going up. But I don't think that will sustain. It will just make a double top at some point, maybe on this or maybe the next. It will form a double top and it will fall down. I'll just look for BTC for a long position only if it breaks this resistance that is here. कल जो सपोर्ट हम ड्रॉ किए थे उसके ऊपर लाइक विथ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग मोमेंटम, इफ इट गोज देन वी लुक फॉर then we look for a trade there, long position. शॉर्ट के लिए ये तीनों में मैं पोजीशंस ऑलरेडी बताया है, लेवल्स ऑलरेडी बताया है. Hey, if anyone knows, like, if people are watching it now, if like, what do these other streamers do while they are just sitting and looking at these charts, bro? Like, do they read books? Do they? Okay, if there are people to talk to, then it makes sense. Like, if you guys are also sending messages on, maybe the chat, then talking makes sense. But other than that, what else do people do? Just let me know. Give me some idea, because I kind of feel bored because it's just me talking. I'm not seeing any chats. Nothing is here actually. So whenever I'm just looking just on the screen, it feels pretty boring for me. Like normally, while I trade, I'll be just going through the news or things like that, random books. I just go through whatever I get in hand. I might even sit and watch movies, play games. So, but like on the stream, I can't do all that. So just tell me, like, what do other streamers do normally, so that I can also just grab some new hobby or maybe something. Okay, this makes sense. Now अभी ये इसके ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है, इधर इधर का ही सस्टेन कर रहा है, तो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस भी थोड़ा कम होगा फॉर द ट्रेड, फॉर द शॉर्ट. देखते हैं. It has to end green. If it is ending green, great, it's actually good for us. हमारा स्टॉप लॉस फिर भी इधर होगा, दिस लेवल पे, बिकॉज इधर डोंट मेरे को रिटर्स चाहिए यार. 1 मिनट का देखते हैं. जो स्कैल्पर लोग हैं उनको, हाँ, उनके लिए पुल बैक आया है ऑलरेडी. स्कैल्पर्स, फॉर यू गाइस ऑलरेडी पुल बैक आया है. तुम लोग के लिए मैं कुछ बना देता हूँ इधर. इसको नीचे आने के बाद, ओके, आई एम नॉट सेइंग अब भी जस्ट एंटर अ ट्रेड, नथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. फॉर स्कैल्पर्स यू कैन प्लान समथिंग लाइक दिस. Wait 1 second. इधर का ही होगा. इट्स 1:1. स्कैल्पिंग के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं है यार. इट्स आई वुड हैव टू वेट. अरे कैंडल राइट. You know what will happen if this is red? If this candle was green, then a quick movement could have been expected in the market. But as this candle has become red, then even if this particular, the current candle, if it breaks this down and goes down, then to उतना momentum नहीं आएगा. नहीं तो लेके या ग्रीन रेड, ये छोटा सा लाइन में थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद ही इट विल कम डाउन. नहीं तो इधर से रिवर्स होगा. सो वेट टिल दिस इज ब्रोकन डाउन इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू शॉर्ट इट. फॉर मी द गोल्ड इज लुकिंग pretty much good for a short, but just below this range, only below this range. but मेरे लिए पुल बैक चाहिए, and these kind of candles are not that good, like सच में not that good for like traders like us. It's not good. It will spend more time. नहीं तो it will give more fake breakouts, like fake breakdowns या breakouts दोनों. So अभी ये कैंडल ग्रीन होके मेरे को रिटर्स चाहिए, तो या हाँ, अभी जो वैल्यू में है दिस रेंज इस पर्टिकुलर रेंज में है. और अगला कैंडल एक नीचे की तरफ पूरी like if it comes down with good momentum, then we can think of it. But if it goes above this particular range and closes above maybe this range, like iska high, then no gold for now at least. अभी इधर एक डबल टॉप बना रहा है. we'll see if it actually becomes a double top or if it actually okay, slightly higher. एक second, कितना difference है? 3 point, ओके हाँ स्टिल लाइक इधर से ब्रेक डाउन कर रहे हैं तो जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस ट्रेंड लाइन, नीचे की तरफ आ रहे हैं तो वेट फॉर अ पुल बैक, इवन इन दिस वेट फॉर अ पुल बैक बिकॉज वी नीड बिग मूव्स, नॉट वी आर नॉट हियर टू स्कैल्प. कितने टाइम के लिए स्कैल्प करेंगे यार, जस्ट वेट. एक्सक्यूज मी. Red, bad. Gold में I don't think I'll have an entry now. Gold I don't think because it's a continuous fall. इधर एक एंट्री का कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू जस्ट मे बी 1 minute चार्ट के हिसाब से, एज आई ऑलरेडी सेड, यू कैन प्लान स्कैल्प्स विथ स्मॉल लाइक दिस, समथिंग लाइक दिस, बट it's very risky. Being very frank, it's very risky. Somewhere around this range, and your target would be around this range, and it is sudden fall to happen. Like if this should work out, then a sudden fall is required. So it's very risky. But 5 minutes, if yes, good, it's green. So if this ends like somewhere like this also, even it's a doji that is being formed, then it's actually good. Red है तो नहीं यार, I will not take a trade if it is red. Yeah, actually, I think this is the best time to stream, guys, because I'm getting the maximum. This is the maximum views I've got on a live stream when I'm live. Like after it's been posted, I've got like 19 to 20 views for my live videos. But this is the first time I'm having a concurrent views of 5 people, and like yeah, 5 people in total views. So while I'm on stream, that's actually nice. Just it would be great if you can just text or just comment down if this is the actual time you wish to see my stream, so I can make my streams according to that. I got 3 likes also. That's great. It's actually like something that's never happened in the last 2 weeks anyway. It's just been 2 weeks since I've started the stream here in this on this channel. So, but it's the first time this has happened. You can let me know anything like whichever languages that maybe you're comfortable with. Would it be better if I do it in Hindi, English, whatever? Like you can just put it all on the chat box so that I can know. I am just here to take suggestions from you and work on it and improve the stream. So it'd be great if you can just let me know what kind of which language do you expect me to speak. Maybe if there is some other crypto coins or something, like I don't want to get into forex. I'm not into forex, so I don't personally do forex, so I'm not doing it. That's it. So other than forex, if you just tell me something else, maybe something in MCX or crypto, or even stocks, whatever you wish to see, just let me know. If there is any particular crypto that you would like me to just analyze or anything of that sort. So it'd be great to know, get your feedbacks, and like I'll be very happy if you can do that. Just comment down what you would like to see, like which language do you prefer on the stream. It's not a big trend that's happening, so even a small breakdown can mean a lot for us. So we'll just see. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Yet online like even if it comes just till this last low, then it means a lot for us. Then there can be a good fall that can happen in the market. Yeah, as we expected, it's just gonna play here in this range. Gold ऊपर के तरफ मैं I'll consider, maybe, like, even maybe consider only if it goes above 3345, and if there is still gap with Bollinger Band. नहीं तो नहीं, नहीं तो नहीं. इसमें भी Bollinger Band has come above our support now, so less hope for a trade. I felt I'm like very late today, but this is the most amount of views that I've got while I'm streaming live, and the most amount of likes too. So I'm actually considering like some streaming somewhere around this time. It'd be great if you can just let me know if you are actually interested to see these streams late at night. Like anything, any suggestions would be very useful for me, because I'm just starting off with streaming. And if you have seen the last couple of videos that we have posted in the last like 2 weeks maybe since I've started, we have only hit stop loss once, and that too a very small stop loss to the ratio of profits that we have made on this stream in the last videos that we have ever put on. So it'd be great to know all your suggestions. You can check out my books on Amazon. You can check out our website that you'll be able to see on the description. We'll be actually very great. We'll be very happy to hear from you guys. So please let us know how we can improve, what all we can do. I'm just looking there, right? I know the cam is there, but my screen is here. The computer screen is here. This is just my trading display. So that's why I just look out for chats and everything. So I just look there. That's why I look for the analytics there and everything there. So I'm really sorry for that. Just let me know how I can improve the quality of the stream. Anything technical also, just give us suggestions, we'll work on it. Or regarding the time, that will be something we'll really appreciate. ओके, नीचे की तरफ गैप बना रहे गोल्ड. ओके, विल सी फॉर द नेक्स्ट 15 मिनट्स. थोड़ा और गैप बनाते हैं तो हम देखते हैं, नहीं तो इधर टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे. इसमें एंट्री मत लेना. वेट फॉर अ ब्रेकडाउन, बिकॉज ऊपर की तरफ तभी होगा जब ये एक्चुअली ऊपर आएगा. इस हाई का ऊपर जब आएगा, उसके ऊपर ही ऊपर की तरफ उस टाइम ही प्लान करना. तब तक नहीं. सो प्लीज़ वेट. इट इज़ एक्चुअली मेकिंग गैप नीचे की तरफ. दैट्स एक्चुअली अ गुड साइन. Just wait for like maybe 5-10 minutes more, so that we'll see if it actually has the potential to break down. Hare Krishna. Oh, my sneeze took the market up, it seems. I think I should set the laptop here and this trading screen here, so that you will get a straight view, because the camera would come somewhere here. And as the laptop is here, when I'm looking, it won't look like I'm looking to the opposite direction. What do you guys think? कल चेंज करके देखते हैं. If I get some reviews, then great. If you guys are not telling me what to do, I would have to figure things out myself. Yeah, we'll see. Don't jump into the trade. Don't jump into the trade. Let the market close below our support range. उसके बाद देखते हैं. इधर भी हमारा स्टॉप लॉसेस अप हो गया. स्टॉप लॉस किधर होगा? This will be your entry. Stop losses here. Okay. Okay, this will be our first target. Oh, no, no. Market should not fall down now. Yeah, I know. I've been saying that market will fall down. Market should fall down. But if it falls down now, there is नीचे की तरफ उतना गैप नहीं है. थोड़ा गैप बनाने दे, थोड़ा मोमेंटम बनाने दे. उसके बाद जब ब्रेक डाउन होगा ना, because I just showed like how the movements would be if the market falls right away. So it should not fall down. Like even if they don't hurry into a trade right now, let it break down. If it is coming down with a momentum, then you can easily grab a big fortune out of it. Like आज पूरा दिन ट्रेड नहीं किया है मैं, so like वो पूरा दिन का प्रॉफिट ये सिंगल ट्रेड दे सकते हैं. So don't jump into taking stupid actions right away. Okay, if it's going back up from here, then इसमें भी कुछ होप नहीं है अभी के लिए. What do you guys think? Recommended bitrate. Okay. We recommend that you use a stream bitrate of 1000 kbps. Okay, how will I change it? I'm on the stream, right? Because anyone watching the stream, can you just maybe type in something? Because my YouTube studio is showing that the stream is finished. I don't know. Let's see. Settings, bitrate. Oh, okay. I cannot do it while I'm on stream. Okay, cool. I'll do it from the next stream. Okay, मेरा बिट रेट को थोड़ा कम कर देते हैं. इथेरियम 45 के ऊपर, सॉरी 35 के ऊपर हम देखेंगे ऊपर के तरफ. नॉट नाउ, बिकॉज अभी तो बॉलिंग बैन में गैप नहीं है. डोंट गेट इनटू अ ट्रेड नाउ. You might feel like my streaming is very pretty much boring because I said don't enter. That is because whenever I want you to enter, this is the spot. Okay, मैं BTC में दिखाता हूँ. Okay, whenever I said don't enter. I say don't enter because I don't want people to scalp and just fuck it up. Like these are the kinds of trade that I prefer. Okay, these are the kinds of trades that I prefer. All these have come on my streams even before. So I might take maybe one trade a day, or like once in 2 days I might take trades. But these are the kind of trades that I take, or that I ask tell people to take. So don't just go behind the scalping and end up losing a lot of money. That's what happens. That's what happens to most traders. So yeah, that is why I won't I never be like buy from here, sell from here, buy. I can say that, but I don't do that because of that. I ask you to wait because I don't want you to lose your money. One, two, I want you to make big whenever you are booking your profits. That is why I just ask you to wait. It's not about taking trades every day. It's taking just one good trade a week can be more than enough for you to, be a successful trader. So just wait for that right moment. मैं spot का दिखा रहे थे. You would have seen like spot में like just keeping like 30 40 points is 30 $40 as your stop loss. My targets were 300 200 $500. So that is the kind of trades that I want you all to take. The quality of the trade is what matters. So and even then, whenever I trade, I don't put in the whole of my capital into that single trade. I'll just put what, maybe 1/10 or 1/5. That's it, maximum 1/10, or maximum that I've first when I started off with trading, I would have put in like the whole of capital. I've also lost a lot of money, but like now I think that's not how it is. Like I just, whenever I trade, I make sure my psychology is right, I'm feeling good, I'm in a position where I'm sure that I won't take any emotional decisions, and also my position sizing would be perfect. Only then I'll enter trades. So just wait. That is the kind of moves like 400 $500 move on the spot of Bitcoin or things like that is what we are looking for. That is why I'm not asking you to buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. नहीं. Just wait for the market to give momentum. ऐसे momentum हम capture किया है, पिछले हमारा videos देखे हैं, तो like you लोग will definitely know these are the kind of profits. Just imagine like $624 was the spot में जो movement हुआ है. That was $624 and your stop loss was just $29. And उसके पहले क्या था trade? I think it was somewhere here. So in all these days, like there is no trade. You will see. I just come on the stream. I just say, that's it. There is the second one. That is the stop loss was $29, $27, and the target was $590 that was hit because of the trailing stop loss. So I say trades लेना. मैं इधर कोई classes को promote नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm not asking you to purchase my paid courses. I'm not asking you for anything. But I'm just asking you to wait so that you don't end up losing your money. So yes, if you know the value of the money, if you know what I'm speaking about, if you have lost money in your trades before, and if whatever I'm talking makes sense to you, just wait. Don't jump into taking decisions. Do not jump into taking decisions. That like we'll basically regret after the capital is over. We'll be like, अरे यार capital ही नहीं है, क्या करेगा अभी? Why go into that situation when you can handle it very smoothly? Just wait for the moment. उसके बाद trade लेना. Is there any mandate that is there like हर दिन trade करना है? There's nothing like that, right? So just wait. Bitcoin. Okay, अभी it is almost making a double top. Yes. देखो अभी क्या होगा मार्केट में. There's no volume at all. Did you notice that? There's no volume at all. इधर जो volume था वो भी नहीं है. After this liquidity sweep, again fall. You know that, right? Just think about smart money concepts and things like that. Because after this fall, liquidity sweep, the next fall. Just keep that in your head. If you want the range, I can say the range already. Like is here, sky is here. Okay. तो ये level हमारा trend line actually, like price action is also pretty much supporting that study. इधर कहीं पहुंच रहा है तो ये इसका ब्रेकआउट कर रहे हैं तो देन इट कैन हैव अ क्विक मूवमेंट नीचे की तरफ. So yes, oh, that's actually nice. Actually nice. Just wait for that move, okay? Just remember what I said and just wait for that move because that is gonna be a like an actually good fall. Like it can fall up to somewhere here. I'm talking about spot. Spot can fall up to another $1,000 after if it goes by our study. So wait for that. Don't end up losing your capital even before that happens in the market. नहीं गोल्ड मेरे लिए अभी नहीं. The next resistance range, yeah, this is the next resistance range. गोल्ड में अभी के लिए ट्रेड नहीं है. गोल्ड ऑल्सो लुक्स bearish, like just so that you know, even if it's like I leave that stream also, you should know gold is also looking bearish. It can most probably go around this trend. I know this pretty इट कैन गो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. पर इसको ब्रेक करके ऊपर भी जा रहा है तो ऊपर के तरफ ट्रेड नहीं है until it breaks this high. Okay, until it breaks that high there is no trades ऊपर के तरफ on gold. Please don't lose your money on that. It can be a huge fall because of, see the volume here, liquidity sweep, no volume. Okay, and इधर से वापस इधर आते ही it will be a huge fall. So Bitcoin के लिए भी wait for the movement. Wait for the movement at the right moment. If you don't have the capital to trade, you know how it would feel. So please wait for that moment. Okay, Ethereum there is a lot of buying that is happening from this value. Ethereum, just remember, Ethereum there's a huge buying happening from this value. You can see it formed a hammer even after this much of a volume was there. 515 orders. Okay, nice. So just wait for before taking any action on Ethereum. But like for BTC, I am expecting a good movement after this particular range. I know Bollinger Band अभी तक gap नहीं दिया है. If you are waiting for that confirmation, great, but it can most probably fall something like this. Like you see this hype like going through the trend, like through the resistance line of Bollinger Band. This can happen नीचे की तरफ also. That is most probably gonna happen like in BTC. So wait for that big move. Gold अभी तक नहीं, मेरे लिए नहीं. I don't see any possible reason for why I should take a trade ऊपर के तरफ on gold. Don't jump into trades, please. Don't jump into trades now on gold ऊपर के तरफ. I'm talking about long positions. Don't jump into taking long positions in gold right now. आई थिंक बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो गया यार. मैं स्ट्रीम को एंड करेंगे कब? ओ मैन, like 10 minutes or 11:30 I'll go. It's already too late for me. Last couple of days my sleep is pretty much bad. So after this after like maybe at 11:30 I'll leave. I'll just end the trend. I will end the stream. But if you are still on the trade, you're watching the market, remember these values. Either gold में like if you want to scalp, I'll tell you what. Okay, scalp करने वाले like those people who want to scalp, for them I'll just गिव यू अ क्विक, अरे किधर है यार, हाँ इधर से वापस इधर, नेक्स्ट कैंडल एंड थर्ड कैंडल इधर है, तो फोर्थ कैंडल कैन गो हियर. This can actually happen, but it has to end somewhere here. The candle, this green candle has to end not here actually, a little above this. Yes, इधर एंड करना पड़ेगा for that movement to happen. नहीं तो it will just keep you stuck, it will keep you stuck around this range for pretty long time and it will break down. तो इसका एंट्री किधर होगा? हरे कृष्ण. इसका एंट्री विल बी हियर. Don't get into an entry before that. Only after all these happens, okay, it has to end here, next candle has to be a pullback. उसके बाद जो अगला कैंडल आ रहा है, that is just above this green candle, only then you can enter this trade. Your stop target 1 and target 1 around that range. लाइन वगैरह कुछ ड्रॉ करता हूँ उधर, and target 2 around this range. Okay, yeah, the candle has reached there, let's sustain that value, and उसके बाद नीचे आ रहा है तो लेकिन एक छोटा सा पुल बैक के साथ आ रहा है तो ये ट्रेड को एंटर कर सकते हैं आप लोग. ओके, रिमेंबर दिस इज द एंट्री पॉइंट. ओके, बिफोर दैट नो एंट्री ऑन गोल्ड ऊपर की तरफ, प्लीज डोंट लूज योर मनी. सेकेंड, BTC, plan for BTC. Okay, plan for BTC. Only in this position you take, like, so gold, this is the plan in gold. Only if this happens. नहीं, नीचे के तरफ है तो बहुत नीचे होगा आपका. All the people are back on the stream, I hope. So नीचे के तरफ है तो इस लाइन के नीचे ही होगा आपका एंट्री, नहीं तो नहीं. I'm just winding up the stream, so I'm just telling all the trading ideas for you, like for the day, for now. So if you like it, just please like the video so that you'll get notified the next time too. Only if this value is sustained, like around this, the high of this candle, we drew it even before that. If that is sustained and the next candle is a small red candle, and if it comes back to this position, this value, this range, then make an entry. This will be your target. I'm not talking about scalping. I'm talking about trades that you can hold. You would have to hold. And BTC में this is what I am expecting. इधर से नीचे आएगा, एक और बार बाउंस बैक करेगा, इट विल फॉर्म अ लोअर लो. अभी तो फ्लैट किया है, एक बार लोअर लो देंगे, उसके बाद ब्रेकडाउन होगा. वो ब्रेकडाउन में एंट्री मत लेना. उधर से एक पुल बैक देंगे, वापस ये ट्रेंड लाइन के पास आने का कोशिश करेगा मार्केट. उसके बाद ये नीचे का फॉल होगा, दैट विल बी काइंड ऑफ बिग. कैन ड्रॉ इट फॉर यू शॉर्ट. ओके, मैं इस रेंज का शॉर्ट बना रहा हूँ. हाउ मच वुड बी द प्राइस? द प्राइस वुड बी, the TP would be this can be your second target in if the trade goes according to this. Where will you enter? After this low is broken down, after this retracement, इधर इस रेंज के बाद इधर एंट्री लेना है. उसके बाद ये नीचे जा सकता है और 1000 पॉइंट का मूवमेंट और दे सकता है बाय अराउंड 330. ऊपर के तरफ मेरे लिए बिटकॉइन में अभी के लिए एंट्री नहीं है. ये ऊपर का रेसिस्टेंस क्रॉस करने के बाद इफ इट्स सस्टेन्ड, ओनली देन देयर इज एन एंट्री. सो आई एम नॉट गिविंग दैट. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग इन बिटकॉइन टू हैपन. गोल्ड का ऑलरेडी बता दिया. मैं ये ट्रेड्स मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली नहीं लेंगे. आई विल स्लीप ऑफ बिफोर these movements happen, but you can mark these values and you will see that most probably market is going to go according to this. इथेरियम, ओके, इथेरियम को थोड़ा और टाइम लगेगा यार, वक्त लगेगा. इट विल, आई जस्ट ड्रॉ इट विद अ पेंसिल, दैट विल बी बेटर. आप ये देख रहे होंगे, Not this color. I won't know which color. Which color should I use? Tell me some color. It is forming this a kind of M. तो ये डबल टॉप के बाद ये डबल टॉप फॉर्म करने के बाद थोड़ा ये मूवमेंट मिलेगा, इधर से वापस नीचे आ रहा है तो place somewhere here your entry, this is your stop loss, and where can you place your target? 5 points stop. Oh, wait, इधर नहीं इधर आ रहे तो इस वैल्यू पे होगा आपका एंट्री, स्टॉप लॉस होगा ये इसका. आई डोंट नो टिल वेयर दिस थिंग वुड कम. Okay, I don't know till where the pullback would come. It should not go above this anyway. It should not go above this line that we have drawn. So वो मत करना, इधर ट्रेल करके जाना, because possible move is where, okay, if it falls it can move till like here, this range. Yeah, almost till this range. I'll keep it here, being safe. Almost 1:2. More, a little more than 1:2 will be your ratio here. Okay, remember. Bye. So remember, this should have a double top forming here. उसके बाद सीधा ब्रेकडाउन नहीं देगा ये ट्रेंड लाइन को रेस्पेक्ट करके वापस ऊपर आएगा, बट इट विल फॉर्म अ लोअर हाई, एंड उसके बाद ये ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेक करेगा, रिट्रेसमेंट देगा, will form a lower high, like a lower high after this, and then it will fall down. उसके बाद एंट्री लेना बिटकॉइन में. गोल्ड में नहीं यार, गोल्ड ऊपर की तरफ यही है, नीचे की तरफ आई हैड ऑलरेडी सेड ड्यूरिंग द एंटायरिटी ऑफ द ट्रेड, दिस इज द प्लान, दिस विल बी योर एंट्री, दिस विल बी योर स्टॉप लॉस, और ये आपका टारगेट होगा. ओके, सो यस गाइस, बाय, थैंक यू सो मच. इट्स टाइम, इट्स too late for me, it's 11:30, I have to sleep. Thank you so much for giving me like 3 likes. Actually, like very happy, because I think this is the first live stream I'm getting the maximum number of views and like maximum number of likes while I'm on live. Normally this happens like I get a couple of likes, maybe 1 or 2 likes, and maybe a couple of views, maybe 5-10 views after the live is done. But this is for the first time on the live. When I am on live, like I'm having like concurrent viewers of 3 people, for 4 people, max concurrent viewers for 4 people, and I have 9 views in total throughout the stream, and but the chat rate is still 0, but I'm happy, and 2 likes. Thank you so much. Like please give us suggestions so that we can grow with you guys by, like, you know, helping you guys to make money, teach you guys while, you know, helping you earn, and also help us grow this venture of ours. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Please keep all these values in mind. Take trades accordingly. Don't lose your money. As I was saying, for me the market looks bearish. For me the markets look bearish. ये सिर्फ जिन लोगों के लिए बताया है, जिन लोग को लगता है कि ये ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेक करके ऊपर जा सकता है करके, जिन लोग सोच रहे हैं उनके लिए बताया था. But yeah, as I was saying from the start of the trade, the stream, like I am expecting markets to go up, markets to go down. And yes, thank you so much for spending your time with us. If my stream was of any help to you, make sure, you know, you just make us feel blessed by the comments. And thank you so much. Have a good night. Remember these values. You can replay this, like, you know, these last couple of minutes, maybe last 5 minutes of the stream, so that you know what our studies say and why do we suggest those values. मेरे लिए इथेरियम, बिटकॉइन इथेरियम और बिटकॉइन में ऊपर के तरफ अभी के लिए कुछ प्लान नहीं है, because I feel it is actually very much bearish. You can see what's been happening. So either say reversal, I don't feel this is the actual like real position to just reverse, because it's spending a lot of time. I'm just feeling like it's gonna come down again. मेरे लिए ऊपर की तरफ में जब देखेंगे, like I most probably like after this level like around 2460 के ऊपर इथेरियम में, बिटकॉइन में like around 106 700 750 के ऊपर. सो तब तक नहीं, स्कैल्पिंग हो सकता है उसके पहले, पर होल्ड लाइक पोजीशन दैट यू कैन होल्ड, नो आई डोंट थिंक सो. थैंक यू सो मच once again. Bye, good night. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Yeah, and I hope that you had a good day. I'm just figuring out why it's not ending. End stream, yes.